Meet the mother of all blasters. 6 fully functional foam nut shooting barrels, a working delinker with an endlessly extendable belt. Driven by a powerful brushless motor, the Moab delivers a cinematic rate of fire. 50 darts per second. Now you can print and build your own mother of all blasters with the Moab kit. You get all the electronics ready for plug and play, plus every single part required to assemble the Moab. For smooth printing, the STL files are optimized, pre-rotated and come with clear instructions. And you don't just print the entire Moab at once, you upgrade in 3 working stages. Experience every single technical feature of the Moab. Milestone 1. The mechanical Moab. Crank the handle to experience the functional spinning mechanics. Driven by a cylindrical cam. Milestone 2. Add the delinker, feed in the belt for endless fun. Milestone 3. The full electric Moab. Load the backpack, fire up the motor and electronics and unleash the full power. For more control, switch to the 12 or 6 dart burst mode, or reduce the rate of fire down to 8 darts per second. Pull the trigger, watch the counter drop and feel the Moab come alive. And the build process is part of the fun. Pre-keyed parts make assembly intuitive. The step-by-step video instructions not only guide you through it, but also explain the underlying mechanics. The Moab isn't just another toy, it's a deep dive into real mechanics and an eye-opener of what your 3D printer can truly do. And it brings back that childhood thrill of firing a foam nut blaster. Only bigger, louder, and way more powerful! And now it's your turn to build, mod and make it your own. Let's make them all spin.